In this video, we'll discuss how to create a user in MPS Monitor. To create a user in MPS Monitor, we first need to log in to our MPS Monitor portal. We then need to select the sub-dealer in which that user will reside. To select that sub-dealer, we'll find the current dealer we're in the upper right corner, which is Impact Networking LLC. We'll then click that, and then we'll select our sub-dealer we want to go to, which is going to be Impact Networking Assessment. Once we are in that dealer, if we look at our left side menu, we should see a security tab. If we click that, we can then select Users. Once there, we can click the Create button, and then we go through the creation process. Then we add the email address. And then we set the capabilities. By default, we will set a user, if they are an outside user, to customer user. This will give them the following capabilities. They can view their devices, they can view the customer lists, they can view alerts. We can change that if necessary to give greater capabilities, greater credentials for a user if they have a more active role within their MPS Monitor instance. Once that's set, we do not check these boxes. We want to select the switch for do not send notification emails about faulty installed devices and DCA connectors. And we want to slide the button on for require two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication is required per Impact policy for all users in MPS Monitor. This is for greater security. We now need to find the account where we want to associate that user. So we see that we're in the Impact Networking Assessment dealer. We want to make sure that the customer radio button is selected. We then now search for that account. Which will be MPS Monitor Test Account. And we see that account is here. We can select multiple accounts if it is warranted. We then click Save. That user will now receive an email from noreply@mpsmonitor.com. It will go through the login process as well as setting up their two-factor authentication. And that is how you create a user in MPS Monitor.